Ooh. Are you happy that we're coming to Denny's for your birthday weekend?
Tomorrow is my birthday.
I know. How old are you gonna be?
20 years old.
What number is that?
6.
Yeah. So we came to Denny's because it's Ariel's birthday weekend.
I have to this cake too.
And that was one of the things she requested, to come to Denny's. So we're waiting for food right now. You hungry, babe? So we're just waiting right now. What'd you say?
I need some food in my pants.
Okay.
Or you ain't getting no chances.
Oh my gosh. So we got our food. What you get, babe?
Club sandwich.
I got a club sandwich, also with seasoned fries. Damn, you didn't even show me your food. You're already eating, huh? You hungry? What'd you get? Tell me. Mozzarella sticks. And the boys over there are already eating. We're hungry, guys. It's already like 1 o'clock and we haven't eaten nothing. You okay? Yeah. Okay, let's eat. Today, well, this weekend, we're actually going out of town for my little girl's birthday. We're gonna celebrate her all weekend. So
Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, we're gonna take her to Chuck E. Cheese. We're gonna go where else?
And look at
Disneyland.
the little tail.
Yeah, we just got to the hotel, so we're gonna relax for a bit, guys. It was a long drive. Let's see what we do and come along with us. Let's enjoy the day,
Tomorrow
guys.
is my birthday.
Yeah, tomorrow's her birthday. Her birthday's on Sunday, so it's Saturday right now. So yeah, guys, come along. The kids are in the pool right now with the hubby. I'm about to join in, but just showing them real quick because I can't record. Happy birthday, beautiful.
Thank you, Mommy.
We're going to Chuck E. Cheese for Ariel's birthday. This is the first thing she wants to do. Oh no, the second, because we went to Denny's, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go. We got the food right now, but you gotta finish the salad first, you know?
So I got the salad and I got my wife her whole pizza to herself.
You could at least added pepperoni.
This is my wife's plate, this is my plate.
We're gonna eat some pizza now. The kids already played a little bit. Now it's time to eat. And Chucky's over there dancing. Having fun? Hi, Chucky! Yeah! Go, Ariel. Go, Ariel. Yay! 3 tickets. You wanna do it again?
One time I got the
Really? Oh. I'm looking for you guys everywhere. I can't find you guys.
Sorry. She ran off. What is this? Ladybug?
What happened, Ariel?
Continue? Go? Okay. When it's like that, no, it's like chicken. That'd be cool.
Where did she go? Where did she go? Go, Daniel. Oh! Oh!
She got 10,000 points.
She's good at this thing. Oh! I caught that, Ariel. Okay, okay. Oh!
Hey, but you try. I'll record.
I suck at this.
Go, try it. Go on. You got it. No, nothing yet. 0 points. 0 points. 0 points, man. 0 points, man. Man, my wife literally made 0 points. That is crazy. Damn, at least get 1 point. Oh, you got one?
Did you just lose?
Huh?
Did you just lose?
Yeah, I just lost.
Oh! She's shopping for her birthday gift.
Yeah, she's shopping.
Of course, it had to be bluey.
This
This might take a while.
Yeah, it might take a while.
The carrot is a TV.
This is what she wants.
Wait, a giant. Oh, it's a giant donut.
Oh my god, you might get crushed by a giant donut.
Ariel,
That's what you want? Ariel, that's what you want? She doesn't know yet.
she's taking advantage, huh?
Yeah, cute. Oh, there's 2.
Okay, so that's what you want, Ariel?
Yeah. Yeah, she wants that.
Okay, now it's time for mom to go shopping.
Wait, what?
So we're at Disneyland today. Look at the queen right here, or princess.
I think we spend a lot of money on her for her birthday.
It's a birthday weekend. Imagine if it was a week. Ariel, look at me, beautiful. Gorgeous. Let's go. Look at that beautiful girl.
Look at me too.
Look at daddy. So we're at Disneyland today. We're gonna keep celebrating Ariel's birthday. Look how beautiful she looks. Doesn't she look so beautiful? What dress are you wearing, Ariel?
No white.
Snow White. Go on the Snow White ride. Let's go. Come on, baby. Read the book.
Daniel, Angel.
Smile. What do you say, Ariel?
There you go. Really glasses.
Thank you.
I want them for myself.
Yeah, you remember? Thank you. Ooh, look at that.
Is that you or your birthday girl?
Say yes. Thank you. So now we're at the Blue Bay. We're waiting to check in. We just got Pixie dust. Look how excited she is. Can you tell? Oh my god.
They're just hungry. We just need a good sized piece of meat.
Yeah.
I need some meat.
You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Look at their excitement too. They're so excited. Are you excited? So guys, oh my gosh. I literally lost my phone right now. But I released the wolves. My kids and the hubby. And they found it. Oh my gosh, I freaked out. Imagine losing your phone in Disneyland. What the hell? But I got it back, so now we can enjoy some food. Was it crazy looking for mom's phone? Thank you, my little babies. You guys are the best.
I told him this is why we don't take you somewhere nice. And he's like, why? Because of this? And he goes like this. Seriously?
No, you have to whisk it. I thought you didn't make it work.
Angel, how come we don't take you somewhere nice?
Chamaco. We're waiting for our drinks right now. We just walked in here, guys. We're gonna have a fancy onesie dinner or lunch. It's lunchtime. Ooh, we got our fancy little ice cube in there, and the Louisiana lemonade.
I'm gonna taste it, baby. I'm gonna taste it.
Taste test.
Oh, it's the best thing I've ever tasted.
I know. I wish they would sell this out of here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask.
They say if you drink too much of this, your mouth will start blowing.
Oh, I thought you would turn into a private or something. What'd you guys get? Oh, it's your white rice. It's your favorite one.
Better server. He just kept saying no. I'm not giving you the A1.
What'd you get, Ariel?
Follow me back.
What'd you get, Angel?
I got potato, mashed potato, strawberries, and some bacon.
Steak. I'm about to slap this.
I mean steak. I get confused with steak and bacon.
Look at mine, guys. Ooh.
Steak sauce for dinner.
You guys see it?
Steak sauce.
Show me, baby. Show me. How's your food, Angel?
Huh?
How's your food?
Good, but I hate the mashed potatoes. Yeah, they're not that good.
How's your food? Ariel, how's your food?
Good, but with a bit bad.
Why?
But this one with the wet bean is
Yeah.
with yes.
How's your food, babe? Okay, I think he's so hungry.
They were not yours.
That was pretty good, guys. Here goes nothing. It says don't rock. Oh my gosh. 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 Stop. The food, eh? The food.
That is good. Oh, look at her. She still can do it in fashion.
He lost the shoe.
Daniel, I'm so scared.
There goes Daniel.
And there's Daniel.
Your duck? He's trying to go to the pond, Angel. Ariel, no, you can't go back that way. You have to come back. Ariel.
Man, this shit is scary.
My
Huh?
shoe fell off.
You're going fast.
Daniel, you okay?
Guys, I'm trying to make it through this cave right now. I made it. I'm alive.
Wait, that leads to something. That pool leads to something.
You guys abandoned me.
Get over here.
And at the back.
Wait, we have to go back through the cave?
Up here.
Oh, hell no. I came to Disneyland, not to the fucking wilderness.
That's a good view.
Okay. On the way back, it's just ladders. It's just stairs. It's just stairs.
It said slide.
I said ladders.
Oh, there's something back there.
What? Let's go see. Come on. Go, Angel.
That looks scary.
Oh, wait, no, we're safe.
Ow.
You need to jump. You
What?
need to jump down.
I am not jumping.
You need to jump.
What?
You need to swim over.
No. Hold on. I'm gonna go first. Hold on. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Go, man. You got this.
It brought us to the same place.
Oh, that's cheating. Come
It brought us
on.
to the same place last time.
You made it out of the castle, babe. You made it out of the castle.
I want
Yep.
to go to Disneyland, not the damn.
Hi again.
Holy shit.
Hi again. Take a picture with the dog.
Can you stop?
Ariel, oh, you guys stand like that?
She's part of the treasure, she said.
She's part of the treasure. Oh, it's Godzilla.
Huh? Godzilla?
Oh, there's a little big ass lizard.
Come on. Yeah, come on.
Wait, this is a pipe. Hello. There's another thing. We got another thing.
Look at Ariel. Look at Ariel. My little girl, you look so gorgeous. Happy birthday. Happy birthday weekend. Yeah. Love you. So, we're gonna end it off at 7-Eleven, guys. It's freaking hot. We're thirsty. We're hungry. We're gonna get a snack and call it a day. Beetlejuice, want that?